What's up guys, welcome back to Nebula Tech News. So today I have a super quick video for you guys. I noticed that a lot of people were saying that they have been watching Samsung Galaxy Watch Active reviews and that not too many people have pointed out the features that the watch has or that they haven't really shown them hands-on. So this is exactly what this video is. This is just a super quick video to show you guys my top 5 favorite features for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. So I'm just going to jump right in, you guys. Let's get started. So starting us off here, one of the basic features that I actually really like on this is the ability to control your music right from your watch. So if you'll see, I can change the song on Spotify. You can do different apps if you wanted to, but I'm just doing Spotify right now. Basically, you can just control your music from your watch. If you have other music on it, like if you've got songs that you downloaded separately, you can also control those from your watch. So that's one of my most favorite features to start this off. So the next feature that I really like is the texting feature. So see, I've got a message from my best friend that says hi. So I can actually respond to this either with my voice, with an emoji, or I can write out my text on the screen of the watch. So we're gonna do voice. Hi, how are you? And that's it. So you can just send that as a text or as an audio message. I'm going to do a text. So then going back, I can choose to send an emoji or I can write out a message. So I'll show you guys what that looks like here. So I'll just do hi. And I can send that right away. And then it does have pre-written messages down here that you can select in case you're in a meeting or something and you want to choose those. Oh, she texted me back. Look at that. So that's a texting feature. I really like this. I think it's really convenient. It's easy to use. I wish that the screen were a little bit bigger just for when you're actually writing out the messages with your finger, but I've found that it's really responsive. So that's probably my favorite feature so far. The next feature that I really like isn't actually in the app itself. It's not in the watch itself, I should say. It's actually here. So this watch has wireless charging. So basically what wireless charging on this means is that you can charge it on any wireless pad, obviously, but you can also do wireless power share from your smartphone. So I have the Galaxy S10e right now, so I can actually charge my watch right from my Galaxy. So I'll show you guys that now. So let me put this down. There it is. And then we're going to put the watch on. And now it's charging. There it is. So that's actually really cool in case, you have if you've got the new Samsung Galaxy S10 series, they all have wireless power share. So in case you're running low on your watch battery, you don't have a wireless charger with you, you can just throw it on your phone and charge it right from there. How cool is that? So the next feature that's pretty important to point out is the fitness feature. The Galaxy Watch Active is a fitness tracker. That's what it was made for. That's why it's called the Active. So the few things, so it does have like a full screen here where it tells you your activity, and you can see it just for the day or for the week. And then it also has, if you keep scrolling, it's got 39 built-in exercise modes that you can select from. Obviously, it's not as many as a lot of other watches. Some of them have up to 90, but it does have a bunch of different exercise modes that you can choose from, which makes it a really excellent fitness tracker. It does also have sleep tracking so that you can get an overall view of your health. And it's got a ton of different watch faces that tell you, that try to motivate you, and they kind of try to show you the different ways that you can be active. It's got a stress tracker there, but it's a really, really good all-around fitness tracker. I like all of the different workouts that they have and just the different features altogether. And last but certainly not the least, guys, so actually not a feature that it has right now, so it's not something that it can do right at this very second, but as of March 15th, there will be an update to the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, which will turn this watch into a blood pressure monitor. So basically on March 15th, they're going to release a software update that you can download. It's called My BP Lab, and it'll effectively turn this watch into a heart rate monitor, a blood pressure monitor, which is really, really cool. I'm pretty sure it's the first time it's been done. It is similar to Apple's ECG or electrocardiogram monitoring on the Apple Watch, but as you guys know, the Apple Watch is $400 and this thing is only $200. So that's a pretty solid deal. If you're someone who wants to be heart healthy, you want to keep track of that, if it's important to you, this is a pretty good thing coming out soon. Again, that's March 15th, and it's going to be via download. I think it's going to be over-the-air download. I'm not sure just yet. There are not too many details, but how cool is that your smartwatch for $200 will be a blood pressure monitor? Amazing. So that's going to round out this video, you guys. Those are my top 5 favorite features for the Galaxy Watch Active. Again, I really do like this watch, and if you've got a Samsung S10, S10e, S10 Plus, it's a really, really cool accessory to use with this phone. If you guys haven't already, I did actually do a review, well, an unboxing and a review of the Galaxy S10e. I'm going to link that down below so you can check it out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.